Hey, have you heard about the CUI incident that happened in March 2008 in France? Did you know that CUI caused a major fuel oil leak, leading to a massive financial and environmental incident? If you are interested in learning about this specific incident, there is a link in the text and it takes you to our blog and it provides you all the details about this specific incident with all the references. CUI led to the leak of 500 tons of fuel oil from a corroded pipe that eventually resulted in a pollution and contamination of the coastal area. The root cause of the incident was lack of inspection of the CUI susceptible area of the pipe and not repairing the damaged insulation in time. Now the question is, have we learned our lessons from this incident? Have you covered a good percentage of CUI susceptible areas in your CUI program? And have you considered repairing those damaged areas of insulation in time in your maintenance program? We are RBI CUI and we produce unique courses related to RBI and different corrosion mechanisms, courses that you can't find anywhere else. We have just released a comprehensive course called RBI in Corrosion Under Insulation, and I strongly recommend you to take this course if you are interested in learning more about RBI and corrosion mechanisms like corrosion under insulation. There's a link in the text for this post, and you can click on it and it will take you to the page that provides you more information about that course. See you in the course.